What up guys, welcome back to another video. So I know that I was away for a while. I had a birthday. I turned 27 years old. God, I'm getting old. So I was for like 4 days in Miami and another 5 days in Playa del Carmen, which is around an hour from here, from Cancun in Mexico. And was amazing, both of them, Miami and Playa del Carmen. Really nice places and beautiful places to see, and I really recommend those places. So right now I'm back and I'm super pumped to go ahead and create new content for you guys. So as always, before we start, okay, make sure you are in my Facebook and Telegram group where you can ask me questions and other members, okay, that has really good knowledge that can help you guys and me as well. So in this video, I will be sharing you my profit income report for June 2019 for my manual store, and in a few days I will be uploading my AliExpress store profit report. But in this video, I will be touching exactly how much we sold, how much we made, what is the percentage of the profit. I'm not that really happy with the percentage of the profit. I want to increase the percentage of the profit, but right now we're looking at really good growth, and I want to keep this account going further and further up to 30-50k per month. So let's get straight to it, guys. Okay guys, so let's go over the numbers. So in June 2019 we sold 21,181 pounds. So for the second month, it's really amazing for me, and this is what I think. I'm really glad with those results. Want to keep pushing the store, like let's say at least like 30k, 50k, something like that. Soon we will be VAT registered, which will make some things more difficult, okay, but I already have a business that VAT registers, so I kind of know how to deal with that. But yes, sales will be dropping a bit, but we will find a way to get it to 50k per month. So let's go over the profits. So as always, I have my spreadsheet. I have my spreadsheet that I added some columns. Okay, this is not the full spreadsheet. I have everything here: item number, item title, suppliers, everything. But you know, that is only for me because literally in the past few, let's say in the past month, I see a lot of people starting to snipe my store, so I want to protect myself. So basically this is the spreadsheet of the sales themselves, okay. So if we will take the column of the profit, you can see that the total profit was 1,791 pounds in net profit in the front end, okay, the front end profit. So we also want to add our top cashback. As you can see, this is my account. So in June 2019, our cashback was 79.41. So let's add the numbers: 79.41. I have my hand calculator here. So plus 1,791. So the total that we profited in June 2019 was 1,870 pounds. Okay, it is not a lot, but from only one store, this is like a brand new store, I'm really happy with it. The results are great, and we want to keep pushing this store as much as possible. But of course, we want to make sure that we are not scaling that too fast, because if you will scale really fast, you can risk your account by getting restriction of MC011 and things like that. So we want to take a bit things slower, but as long as we're growing, so everything is okay. So there you have it, guys. This is the results for last month. I'm kind of happy with it, but of course I want to scale this store even further. Maybe I want it to make me around 3,000 to 5,000 pounds in net profit every single month. Also, I'm working on creating a new manual store, because again, as I'm always saying, you want to protect your income, okay. For me, I'm full-time dropshipper. This is all I do. I don't work in any other place, so I need to make sure that even if something happens to this account, I still have a consistent income every single month. So I think that I will be creating a new account, and of course I will be showing you everything and I will be sharing with you. But I think that this is a good idea to create a new account, because after only, let's say, after like 3 months working on this account, we are making around £2,000 in net profit only from that account. Okay, because I have more accounts. So that is amazing for me, and I hope that you already understand how it works, or you have my manual blueprint, which I have in the description. Manual blueprint that take you step by step exactly what I did to create this store, and that to take it to a place that right now generates me £2,000 in net profit every single month. So if you already have my blueprint, okay, this is exactly what I did to get those results. Okay, so just follow the blueprint that I have, and those the results that you need to expect. Okay, maybe not in that time frame because I'm more experienced, but you need to aim to like get those results like after, I think, max of 6 months. Okay, so there you have it, guys. I hope that it motivates you and inspires you to show you that this works. Okay, and every one of you can do that. Okay, it's really simple. And so that's it, guys. I wanted to share that with you to give you some inspiration and to give you some motivation, because just don't waste time. Okay, we don't have time to waste. We don't know what will be in a month or 2.5 years. eBay always changing, and right now this is the way to work with eBay and make as much as possible, for my opinion. Okay, so again, thank you for watching, guys. If that video inspires you and you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and that video is for you guys, to be transparent with you and show you the results, so to back up what I'm teaching you. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification so you will know when I release a new video. Again, guys, thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers.